Rygin King and recording artist Rygin Barette are now in stable condition.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Montego Bay-based dancehall DJ Rygin King was shot and seriously injured during a gun attack in the Surrey district of Westmoreland on Sunday the 28th of June, while a female, believed to be his girlfriend, was killed. Another male, identified as 26-year-old Rygin Barette, who is said to be a recording artist, was also shot and injured in the incident. The deceased has been identified as 28-year-old Sasha Lee Blackwood, a customer service representative of Irwin Meadows in St. James. The incident reportedly took place while the entertainer, Blackwood, two children and a group of people were traveling through Westmoreland to an event that was being held in a neighboring parish. Rygin King was shot several times and had to undergo emergency surgery. Reports from the Betheltown police are that about 2 p.m. the 25-year-old entertainer, whose given name is Matthew Smith, and others reportedly left the Norwood community in St. James. On reaching a section of the Stewie Main Road, one of the other two vehicles that were traveling with the entertainer got involved in an accident with another motor car. This forced Rygin King and his team to stop at the location for close to 45 minutes while they assessed the damage and conversed with the female driver. It was during this time that another car arrived on the scene and a man alighted with a handgun. He reportedly hurled expletives at the entertainer. Before opening fire, the DJ reportedly ran. Blackwood, who was sitting with the two children, was hit in her chest. Rygin King had run into a gully but was chased and shot multiple times by his attacker. Barette was shot in both legs. The gunman then made good his escape.
Yeah, once you see now I'm going to no joke like that, you want to take some yesterday.
Rygin King, Blackwood and the injured artist were rushed to hospital. A senior investigator said that the shooting appeared to have stemmed from an out-of-parish dispute. The people involved were just passing through and never intended to stop in the parish, had it not been for the accident, the cop said. Meanwhile, the police have confirmed that Rygin King's surgery was successful and he is in stable condition. Barette is also said to be stable. Blackwood's death brings to 40 the number of people murdered in the parish of Westmoreland since the start of the year.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.